Cloudy. And again, temperatures going down into the low 70s tonight. All right, we're going to have some coastal fog to talk about for tomorrow morning, as well the weekend forecast and next week's slight chance for showers coming up.
All right, Brian, thank you. COVID cases and hospitalizations in the valley are seeing a huge drop, but as CBS 4's Karina Vargas explains, those numbers could also be underreported as fewer people get tested.
We are moving from a pandemic to endemic.
While health officials say COVID-19 is not over, cases are on a downward trend.
The CDC, is listing Cameron County as an area of low transmission. The positivity rate on the testing is way down, like around 3 or 4%.
Cameron County Health Authority Dr. James Castillo says they are seeing roughly less than 15 new cases of COVID per day, but those numbers could be underreported as fewer people get tested or choose to do at-home testing.
If people are using the home tests and they're quarantining and they're trying not to spread it, that's really the bottom line. There's other things that we're tracking that'll tell us if things are getting worse. Certainly, a number of people show up to the hospitals. Certainly the positivity rate on the tests that are being done.
Hidalgo County is also seeing a low positivity rate. Dr. Ivan Melendez sharing where we could be heading.
We will soon start making vaccines that are specific to the latest and greatest vaccine. Let's remember that most vaccines are still for the ancestral virus 2 years ago. And so expect an annual, biannual, maybe every 2 years, we don't know.
While it's unknown how long our low COVID positivity rate will last, health officials remain alert on the potential for another wave.
It's going to come here. It's just a matter of time. We're going to keep getting these waves. The question is, what will it look like? Will it be a big wave like we saw with Omicron that causes a bunch of hospitalizations?
Health officials add the important thing is to get tested if you feel any symptoms and report those results on the county's website. Working for you in the Rio Grande Valley, I'm Karina Vargas.
The FDA authorizing a new way to test for COVID. It's similar to a breathalyzer using breath samples to find the virus. Even though some areas are seeing more cases, some school districts are backing off from COVID protocols because of the severity of the virus is dropping.
Some parents just may need more time. They may need more data. They may need to watch other kids get vaccinated and just have that time.
Pfizer is now seeking FDA approval for a booster shot for children as young as 5. The CDC is keeping count on this season's flu outbreaks with 3.8 million cases recorded so far. Cases of the flu are spiking across the country. One doctor says the jump is unusual but not surprising. This year's vaccine offered little protection. A CDC study finding it was just 16% effective at preventing mild or moderate cases.